Hola a todos, soy Tito la Tortuga. And me, Ozzie Ostrich. And we're here with Angel the Weasel. Hi. And today we'll be reacting to awesome movie Black Yoshi's Fried Chicken. Boil? Yeah.
Don't blame me. Some Call of Duty and these chicken folk. You don't even know.
Comamos boil?
Oh, man, that chicken is gross, fool. Hold on, let me just take a bite. I might be playing.
Comer eso pollo? Yeah.
Man,
Por-
that's nasty,
¿Qué
fool.
pasa?
Who would eat this? Oh,
Yeah.
Black Yoshi, what are you crying about?
Yeah.
Fool, you got me some weak chicken, fool. Man, that chicken's so nasty. What are you talking about?
Yeah,
Like,
what
just
you
got
talking
from
about?
KFC like a few minutes ago. What's wrong with it? Fool, it tastes old, man. It tastes nasty, fool, man. Old? No, the woman just cooked it when I went and bought it. It was $17. Fool, you wasted $17. Man, she said it was fresh chicken. It can't be old. It has to taste good. Fool, you went to KFC, fool. You know what KFC stand for? What? Crabby chicken, fool. That's what that stands for. Don't say that about KFC. You usually love their chicken.
No hablo eso. Yeah, don't say that.
You don't even know, fool.
You can't say that to that place.
Well, why do I have to get you some new chicken? Like, what would I get out of it? What'd you get out of it? Hold on.
How can he get out of it?
Well, you don't get the gun. See, fool, you
Yeah.
can keep your life.
Oh, okay, yeah, the
What kind of chicken do you
gun.
want? So, all right, let's go over this.
Oh, my
I want
God.
some fresh chicken, okay? Okay, fresh chicken. How fresh? I want it like you went out and you caught the chicken, fool. A live chicken. A live chicken. I want you to chop his head off, pluck it, and put it in some grease to fry it. And then bring it for brand new chicken, fool. You better hurry, because I'm playing Call of Duty, I'm getting hungry. Where am I supposed to find a live chicken at? Oh, that's your problem. Well, I want you to kill it. I need you to plug it. I want it in my face, fried, with some hot sauce.
Yeah?
All right, I'll see what I can do. Oh, you better
What?
hurry. I'm hungry. Jeez, I gotta make a stupid pickle and sour cream and turkey sandwich for Bowser. Jeez, I don't want to do this. I hate my job. I would so totally do anything other than this right now. Yo, hey, Chef Pee-Pee. What do you want? Well, it's me, Mario, if you didn't know. Yeah, I know who you are. Just tell me what do you want.
Yeah,
Okay,
what is it?
my friend Black Yoshi really wants some chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't really care for Black Yoshi. Just leave right now. Hey, no, look, we really need your help. Well,
¿Por qué,
Black
Chef
Yoshi threatened
Pee-Pee?
to kill me if I didn't go get him some fresh chicken. So I need me and you to go outside and find a wild chicken and cook it. Well, I'm gonna tell you this. I don't work for a Black Yoshi. I work for a Bowser. So if Bowser doesn't want the chicken,
Oh,
you
work
can't
for
have the chicken.
Bowser, huh?
Well, I bet we could work, something out. I think we could work. So you're gonna bribe me? Wait, what is that? It's a 20. It's a nice, crispy volcano. Give me that. You know my weakness. Yeah. So will you do it? I guess, but I have to be back in 10 minutes, okay? I gotta finish this freaking sandwich. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna go outside and find a wild chicken, okay? Okay. We're gonna cook it, fresh chicken. Let's go, come on. All right, lead the way. Chef Pee-Pee, where are we gonna find a chicken at? I don't know, dude. You're the one that's paying me.
Yeah.
Jeez, like, aren't they usually on farms or something?
Yeah.
But I don't know where a farm's at. Where are we gonna find a chicken at? We're in like a packed neighborhood.
Sí.
Was that a chicken? What are the odds? Come on. All right, boy. All right, where the shrimples at?
Oh, look, it's Woody.
Oh, there you go.
Woody?
Now you're gonna sit there and peg the ground
Hola,
until
Woody.
it raises the surface. Then you're gonna bite its head off. Let me know when you get one. Hey, Woody. Oh, hey, Mario. What you doing? I was just playing outside with my friend Chef Pee-Pee, and I heard buck, so
Yeah.
I thought, wow, was that a chicken? And then I realized you had a pet chicken. A pet what? You had a pet chicken. I didn't know you had a pet chicken. I came to compliment your chicken. You wanted to compliment my what? I don't think I understand, Mario. I don't have a pet chicken. But that's a chicken.
Wait, what?
It looks like a chicken to me.
It looks like
This
a
is cooking.
chicken.
I came to compliment your pet chicken. What's so bad about that?
Yeah.
It's not, Mario, it is not a chicken. It is a cock. A
What?
glorious
It's a cock?
He's gonna cook.
Oh, it's a
I
cock?
came to compliment your chicken cock. Anyway,
Why would you say cock?
I don't hear you say.
Why would you call him a cock?
Go ahead. I came to compliment your chicken. I don't understand, Mario. Do I really have to do this?
Guys,
I came to
Chicken.
compliment your cock.
Cock means chicken.
Mario, I appreciate that.
Calm down. You don't have to get mad about it.
Can I buy this chicken from you? I don't own a chicken, but what do you want to do, Mario? Can I buy your cock?
Your cock?
It is pretty hefty, isn't it? But, it ain't for sale, Mario. You see, I get people coming miles and miles to ride my cock. Into the distance, too.
Ow.
Okay, well, can I borrow your cock? Exactly what you plan on doing with my cock?
Wow, really?
What do we plan on doing with
What
the
it
cock?
is? Why?
I want to eat my cock. No, I want to play with it.
Yeah?
Freaking weird. Why are you getting into this, Mario? It's a chicken. It's a chicken, Woody. Okay, it's making it sound really gay. Saying,
Yeah.
We just want to borrow your.
Wow.
We just want to borrow your chicken cock for like.
See?
Now you're being gross, Mario. A chicken
See?
cock.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys, are you serious? Can we just?
Yeah.
You know what? Woody, can I borrow your cock? No homo. Okay?
No, Oma! No, Oma! No! Oh! Ay, Dios mío.
That sounds good. Just be careful with her. She will bite. All right, what are you gonna do? My cock is vicious. What are you gonna do? I'm just gonna go hunt shrimpos. I might peck the ground a little bit, but cause it looks like it's working for him.
Okay.
Well, just go and we'll bring your chicken cock thing back by 6. By 6? Yeah, 6. Yeah, by 6. Washed and detailed. We can get into
Alright. Alright.
Oh, I got a plan. The perfect plan. Okay, what is it? Breadcrumbs. What are breadcrumbs for? Chickens love bread, so he's gonna follow the little path all the way into the kitchen until he gets to the oven, and then he's gonna get in the oven. And then we cook it? Yeah, of course. All right, well, let's watch the chicken and see if it works. Hey, chicken. Don't you want some delicious breadcrumbs? Mmm. Yeah. Ooh, tastes good, doesn't it? Oh, Chef Bibi, he's eating them.
Yeah.
Chef Bibi, I can't believe this is working. I told you. See, I have my plans. I know exactly how they work. Yeah, he's just eating all the breadcrumbs. Look at him. Yeah, he's eating them. Okay, let's go wait in the kitchen. He's gonna be there in a few minutes. All right, let's go. Come on, little chicken. Get that bread. Come on in the kitchen. Oh, man, I really hope this works. Hey, Mario, he's coming. He's coming? Yeah. He's following the bread trail. Now, when he gets on the door, we're going to slam it on him, right? And then we're going to cook him, okay? All right, that sounds awesome. Yeah. Okay, let's just wait for him.
Hey.
He's coming, Chef Bibi. He's coming. Okay, get prepared. Okay, so we're just going to slam the stove on him? Yeah, as soon as he eats the rest of his bread. Oh, get ready. Coming. He's on the door. He's coming. On my go.
Wait on.
When and go.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my God.
Okay, not today.
Oh, he's got a gun. That was real.
Cluck, motherfucker.
What? Oh!
Oh my God, he killed Chef Bibi.
Oh, Dios mío! Ah, yeah, he killed Chef Bibi!
There's a chicken with a gun and he shot Chef Bibi. Oh, dude, calm down. What the hell going on? There's a chicken crazy cock. He's a gun. He shoot everybody. Oh, crazy cock, man. That sounds like a porno. Okay, get your Glock. Come in the kitchen. Gee, white people crazy, fool. All right, look, Yoshi. Look in the kitchen. There's a chicken with a gun. Man, what? Look. See, Black Yoshi, look. He shot Chef Bibi right in the head and killed him. Where's your gun? He had a gun, Black Yoshi, I promise. He had a gun.
Ah! Well, did that chicken just rip him off?
What's up, Tyrese? Tyrese! You know
What?
this chicken?
You know it?
Yeah, fool, man. Me and Tyrese go back. You know what I'm saying? What are you talking about? Yeah, all right. So, long story short, Tyrese and I grew up in the hood, right? And he just undercover for the people in the hood, right? Well, I was gonna cook that chicken and feed it to you because you wanted a live chicken. Man, why would you gonna cook Tyrese, man? He's just a chicken, fool. Dude, he can talk and he knows how to shoot a gun because he shot Chef Bibi. Oh. Man, Tyrese can't shoot.
Yeah.
He can't shoot. He weak.
Yeah. Chickens don't have fingers, and how do we have fingers either? And no arms or hands.
Tyrese can't talk, but man, white people crazy, Tyrese. Well, what are we gonna do about your chicken then? Well, where am I gonna get chicken for you to eat?
Him.
Alright, Tyrese. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to play some Call of Duty, and we're gonna enjoy some of that Chef Bibi chicken, you know what I'm saying? Y'all are gross. I can't believe y'all cooked Chef Bibi and made him into chicken. Oh, man, quit playing, man. I I needed some chicken, and we weren't about to kill no Tyrese. That's like cannibalism, eating Chef Pee Pee. I'm a Yoshi, and I'm not
Wait,
Yoshi,
what?
so I ain't cannibalism.
Is that cannibalism?
So many fans are gonna think that he's not gonna be in the next video, but he really is.
Oh.
I'm leaving. This is gross. Yeah, see you later, Bo. Oh, did you see that kill streak? Man, I'm gonna give you some chicken. I gotta get out of here.
Whoa, Mario. Where do you think you're going?
The kitchen.
Do you know what time it is?
Oh, it must be 6 o'clock.
Where's my cock?
I forgot. Your cock is in there with Black Yoshi. It's eating chicken and playing Call of Duty.
Well, I guess once you go black, he never comes back.
Well, just go check on him.
All right, Mr. Cluckers. I have a date tonight, and she wants to see my cock. I told her it's like 10 inches, but she didn't believe me. She wants to see you in person. So, come on with me. I got a date tonight. Come on.
Okay. Later that night.
Oh, that was a mighty good dinner. Did you enjoy it, baby?
So, what's for dessert?
Oh, Miss Sassy Britches. You want to see my cock,
Woody?
don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, don't do it weird.
I told you it was a little juicy cock.
That was Neil.
Oh, that's not what I expected. Yeah, you can forget that.
No. Well, I guess you didn't like my cock. It's all right. I'll stroke you tonight, boy.
I hear Neil. Wait. SML fact. The word cock means chicken. Wait, what's that say? Stopping perfect. Stopping a pervert. We're not being pervert. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, what is... Okay, oh, yeah, cock means chicken? What? That doesn't make any sense. I know, you guys are gonna hate that video. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, disturbing video. I don't know. I know you guys are gonna hate that video. See, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Do you know the word cock means chicken? I don't know. I don't know what that means. That's a bad idea. I don't know. What should I call it that? Yeah, we'll see you all next time. Goodbye, everyone.